So yun, yun yung challenge na kasi kaya piliin na maayos yung product. Kailangan fun. Meron kami sakit na ginagawa dito. Pero kapraso lang. Yan yung proven solution. Meron kami workshop dito na may hindi lang puro alala na sakit, gusto na. Meron kami dito part na meron kita. Tulog na rin naman doon. Katawag gumagawa ng kabutihan.
We'll make again another salad. Minders lang po, pag inad nyo yung tuna, alam nyo naman ano, don't add the oil. Just tuna. I'll make again another batch of tuna salad. Carrots, tomato, chili. Now I will add, what is this? This is olives. I will add that. Black olives. And chili grapes. Raisins there already. And the tuna.
Kakaila na you are both genius and brilliant pagdating sa paggawa ng mga eksena, mga ideas. Kayo ba minsan umuupo talaga kayo sa creative team para mag-brainstorm na? O ito idea ko, pwede ba natin i-execute? Yung pagdating sa gano'n, nakikialam ba kayo sa eksena ini-implement at ini-execute ng team?
Siguro po yung pakialam parang hindi na kasi yung binibigay nila, binifeed nila sa amin na ideas is talagang ano na kami kontento eh. Siguro may suggestions na lang or pero mga konting ano na lang. Magaan na bagay lang.
Saka sinabi nga namin sa kanila, kailangan maiba tayo dun sa ibang gumagawa nito. At the same time, hindi kami masyadong umuupo para gumawa or mag-suggest. Ang nangyayari sa amin, ako nasanay kami ng live eh. Pag nandun na kami at tumatakbo na yung ginagawa namin, tsaka may pumapasok. So nagdadagdag na lang kami, dinadagdagan na lang. Yung kagay ng sinasabi ko na naka-open naman ang creative kung ano yung pwede namin gawin at pwede namin idagdag sa kanilang mga suggestion.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Flo. Ang susunod na magtatanong natin from People's Balita, Ron Romulo.
Hi.
From People's Balita, Ron Romulo.
Hi. Hello.
Si Ron.
What's on, Manita?
Household name na kayo sa entertainment industry. Naisip nyo ba na sa punto na mag-solo sa pelikula o kaya sa TV show na solo nyo, mag-iwalay?
Nagsusolo naman si Jose minsan eh. May show siya. Ako nag-solo din naman ako. Pero hindi pala solo. May kasama ko si Paolo sa isang game show.
Yes.
Okay lang ako.
Wala namang problema dun. Kung magsosolo si Wally, okay naman. Pag nag-solo ako, okay din. So, hindi masyado namin pinag-uusapan yun. Nakapackage na kami dalawa. Pero as long as kailangan magkasama kami, mas maganda.
So hindi naman kayo nagkakasawa.
Hindi, wala. Alam ko naman, paboritong pabango nito eh.
Ano?
Ano yung Bambini?
Wow! Pambata!
Sinabi ka! Kailan ni Puli nakakaba?
Hindi naman. Yung sawa kasi, kailangan huwag natin yan eh. Para sa mag-asawa yan eh. Pinamali nila. Kaya lang, wala yung wow. Minali lang nila.
Sa mga binarato rin naman namin yung mga comments nila. Yung mga gano'n. Ang tawag dito yun, tama ang comments. Kasi, pero, hindi ko kayo. Minsan, may siniseryoso kung kailangan gano'n. Tama naman yung sinasabi na kailangan sundin. Meron naman iba na hindi mo dapat seryosoin kasi parang personal lang. At yun, parang nahihirapan ka pag lalong dinigdim mo. Hindi ka na makagalaw bilang isang komedyante. Ano na lang sasabihin ko? Ano na lang i-joke? So, may mga certain comments na sinusunod, may pinapadaan na.
Ay, pangalawang question ko, kayo ba na-prank na rin kayo and nagkaroon ba ng time na napikon kayo? Ano ba yung bagay na nakakapikon sa inyo bilang mga komedyante rin kayo?
Ako, totoo. Hindi ako marunong magpipon. Kasi lalo pag alam mong biro, hindi ako napipon. Basta huwag mo lang pupunin yung kinakain ko. Pinapipon ako. Hindi, wala. Wala nung simula nung bata ako, nasanay ako sa lugar na nilaki ako na bawal ang pikon, bawal ang hindi mo, masisira lang ulo. Para hindi ka mapit.
Yes. Siguro sa ganito, hindi tayo magpipikon. Pero yung puyat ka, tapos bagong gising, ipaparang, hindi ko rin po alam kung ano magiging reaction. Hindi ko pagkalala.
Yung pag-ising mo, wala ka pang kakainin.
Hindi po. Puyat ka, ipaparang ka. Hindi ko po alam.
Huwag na lang mapamura. Gawan.
Ay, nako. Opo, totoo po yun.
Pwedeng last question lang, bonus question lang. Kasi si Jose ngayon nakikilala bilang Mayor Jose.
Opo, totoo po yun.
Pwedeng last question lang, bonus question lang. Kasi si Jose ngayon nakikilala bilang Mayor Jose. Feel mo ba na nag-level up ang career mo mula nang tawagin kang Mayor Jose and may bala ka rin pagpapasukin ng politika dahil siya?
Wala.
Unang-una, mula nung artista na ako, hindi ko na, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pinapakiramdaman na lume-level up o nagle-level up. Hindi. Never akong tumitingin doon sa palakpak ng tao, sa sigawan ng tao. At yung tatakbo bilang sa politiko, hindi ko mayaya. Hindi ko po. Siguro, hindi, ganun din naman ang politiko, parang entertainer. So, ganun din naman yung ginagawa natin bilang artista, nagpapasaya tayo, tumutulong. Ganun din ang mga politiko. Papasaya, tumutulong.
Pag gusto mong tumodol, hindi mo kailangan ng...
Nag-alin.
Sa politics.
Oo, matagal. Marami na nag-o-offer, pero dati.
Anong offer nilang position dati?
Yung iba kasi Yakult yun. Hindi, dati konsehal, merong vice mayor, pero wala talaga. Hindi ko linya. O hindi namin linya pumasok sa politiko. Mahirap. Kailangan na yung pinag-aralan mo, alam mo lahat yung nakul. Hindi yung uupo ka na lang na ano to. Wala lang, hindi to. Mahirap.
Okay, Mayor Jose.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Maraming
Thank you, ate. Thank you,
Salamat po.
Janice ng Bulgar. At ito naman ang susunod na magtatanong, Madama Society, si Clarissa Garcia.
Hello po.
Congrats. Yun, ang dami na natanong. Actually, lahat ng gusto ko itanong, parang tinanong na nila. Pero, sabi pa naman, naisip pa rin ako. Kasi, di ba ang Wow Mali, may legacy kasi ni Wally si Joey. For Jose and Wally, anong legacy ang gusto niyo iwanan? Na pag sinabing Wow Mali, doble tama, si Wally to, si Jose to.
Parang hindi na matatanggal yun sa tingin ko. Pag sinabing wow mali, Joey De Leon
Boss
yan.
Joey.
Siguro makikita nila, hindi yung uupo ka na lang na ano to. Wala na, hindi to. Mahirap.
Okay, Mayor Jose.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you, ate. Thank you,
Salamat po.
Janice ng Bulgar. At ito naman ang susunod na magtatanong, Madama Society, si Clarissa Garcia.
Hello po.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yun, ang dami na natanong. Actually, lahat ng gusto ko itanong, parang tinanong na nila. Pero, sabi pa naman, naisip pa rin ako. Kasi, di ba ang Wow Mali, may legacy kasi iniiwanan si Joey. For Jose and Wally, anong legacy ang gusto niyo iwanan? Na pag sinabing Wow Mali, doble tama, si Wally to, si Jose to.
Parang hindi na matatanggal yun sa tingin ko. Pag sinabing wow mali, Joey De Leon
Boss
yan.
Joey.
Siguro makikita nila, sila na. Uy, sila na, yung gumagawa. Uy, sila na yung nandiyan sa wow mali. Pero, Joey De Leon pa rin. Parang hindi namin kayang tapatan. Hindi namin kayang mapuna pa talaga kay Boss Joey. Parang hindi. Parang EAT lang yan. Nakatatak talaga sa TVJ. Parang yun nakikita natin yan. So, parang walang...
Tutuloy lang po namin. Parang ganun.
Yung second question ko is, sabi niyo nga, di ba, merong pay it forward, pero bukod doon, ano pa yung matututunan namin? Bukod sa kasiyahan dito sa Wow Mali, yung bitang.
Dito, mga kawanan, mga nakakatuwa. Siguro sa may last part po ay yung may inspirasyon, may purot sa puso na may inspirasyon po tayo. Matututunan din sa mga.
Yan yung wow mali, ikaw na. Meron kami wow, ikaw na. Meron kami. So, may moral lesson din na matututunan. Kaya, hindi lang puro kalokohan yung ginagawa natin. Meron tayong moral lesson.
Spoiler, pero pwede ko bang may idea ba? I mean, yung
namin ngayon, so mataas na siya. So hindi pa namin makita kung ano yung pinaka-wow na gagawin natin. So kailangan pinalabas namin ngayon, yung sumunod, kailangan pataas na pataas yung level up din yung ginagawa natin. So parang wala pa.
So every episode may aakang
Meron. Every day meron.
Thank you. Thank you po. Ito na, last but not the least, na kapatid natin sa oras na magtatanong from Pinoy.
So, meron bang, di ba para sa mag-asawa, sa isang relationship, meron bang mga bagay na sa tinagal-tagal ninyong nagsasama, pero may mga bagay pa kayong, yung nadi-discover ninyo sa isa't isa na hindi pa ninyo alam. Meron bang mga bagay na? Anong bagay yung na-discover mo kayo? Kaya si Wally, may na-discover ka ba kayo? Kasi hindi mo yan. Saan mo kasi kayo?
Wala nung nagsama kami ni Wally sa buhay. So talagang agad namin hindi kami nagtatago pareho. Kung ano yung ugali ko, pinakikita ko sa akin. Kung ano yung ugali mo, pinakikita sa akin. Kung may mga sikreto, nag-uusap din kami. O pinag-uusapan kami. Ang isang, wow, nakabak. Wala.
Nagdag ko to,
Kami. Kilala na namin yung isa't isa siguro. Kabisado na rin yung isa't isa.
In real life, may big brother ako na Jose ang pangalan. Totoo kapatid ko. Medyo kuya ko. So parang si Jose siya yung kuya ko. In real life. Kasi malayo siya na sa Amerika siya. Hindi ko rin nakasama. Si Jose nakasama ko. Sa tagal namin magkasama. Parang big brother. Kapatid kami. Yan ang turing ko sa kanya. Kasi dito wala naman ako ibang kapatid na lalaki. Si Jose.
Parang wala kayong sinabi. Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin na ganun pa pala ako?
Wala po.
Tumutok, nag-share at nag-heart online
Praise
sa
Him.
ating YouTube at Facebook pages ng TV5. Also, nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating mga executives na talagang naglaan ng oras para sa atin sa araw na ito. Again, sa mga host natin sa ating mga prank for being such
Yun na
good
siya.
sports and for gracing us today. Alam namin napaka-busy.
Yung grapes. At ito na yung hugasan. Hugasan ko na to eh. Hugasan ko lang ako. For the sake of live video. So, hugas ulit.
Para lamang maitutulog ang kanyang pinakamamahal na pamilya. Pero ang trahedya rin ito ang nagsilbing inspirasyon upang lalo niyang pagpiliin ang kanyang sino at parating ang bungo ng tagumpay.
So, kayo, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng grapes sa salad nyo, para hindi na kayo masyadong mabusisi, just buy seedless grapes. Yung seedless na.
Ano ba
Yung
yung
bilhin nyo,
alam mo
seedless.
sa ato-plato?
Wala yan, Nay. Mga nahulog lang yan na bunga ng santol.
Grapes. Dami pa. Dami pinali. Diba? Meron pa.
Kaya na natin ako. Pagpatingin ko naman.
Dahil amo ko pinamagali yung bahay niya. Pag nawala ako itong makapalitan ako.
Palayan. Ba't pa si Papa ko na trabaho?
Kasama yung, I don't like the seed. Standard din ako. Di ba ang cute niya na? Now I will add the, what's next? Celery. Okay pa naman siya. Celery, you need to cut it. I just remove the stem. Ta-da! That's it. Since I don't have any green leaf, lettuce, naghanap pa ako spinach. Don't have anything, so now it's there. I need to move here. It's ready. For the tuna, just remove the oil. Only you will put the tuna fish. Okay. Now I already prepared the sauce. I still have this. Oh, dapat pala yun. I'll just add this first. I think it's better lemon first, right? Para mag sip-sipin niya na. Oh my! Where's my knife? Last time I put only half. Then I will just add bigger. Then I will just add lemon whenever I'm eating. So I like more lemon. Like the taste of sour and chili. Don't include the seed. Careful if you use knife. Might cut your lemon right through your hand, so careful. If you have squeezer, you better add that. just juice. Oh, I forgot the garlic. Garlic and the onion. Yeah. This way. I forgot the garlic. Healthily being garlic is like antibiotic, right? This is herbal medicine. That's why I add garlic. Garlic on my salad. Some they are adding that on pasta. For me, I will add the garlic on my salad. It's tasty. You see, even in the tomato sauce, sometimes there is garlic. So for me, I will add fresh garlic. You want to make it like tiny, just slice it straight like that. Then you cut it on the edge. Not good in cutting. So if you're doing something, anything, even in, even if it's not about food, you want to do something, everything is possible. You just need to know what are you doing. Like if you feel that it's good for you to eat, then try to make it. Everything is possible. It's how you make your food tasty and good. For me, I'm not that. I ate spicy food, but I don't usually eat food. But I just discover eating spicy. I just add it by myself in a spicy salad. And whenever I'm eating with the spicy, whenever we're eating food with the spicy, you eat a lot, right? So I discovered that before I'm eating salad, I accidentally just, because that time we have this spicy tomato. Because I like lemon, so I add also lemon. And then I ate a lot. That's why now I'm doing the same. But this garlic just now I added because I have runny nose and I'm coughing a little. So I think this is good. I don't usually do this. And I accidentally eat that and I feel like I want something with spicy and lemon because I like lemon. The taste of sour. So I make that while I'm eating salad. And then I just discovered that I like that. Every time I'm doing this, I make the same. But this ingredient is totally different. This is the first time that I made this. I made the second time. Whenever I'm removing this, I don't like the black. I feel like this is a, you know, so I simply remove all the skin or that black. You see, I don't want to wash it together, so I just put this. Oh. Also because I like creating new things. That's why I think this is the best salad for all who those who like spicy. I never had salad, spicy salad, but this is so delicious. I can make more. Sit. I think I add more onion to the. And what else? Oh yes, this one. Why? I'll just mix it. Those. Now I will mix it. Oh, just one. There it goes. With complete ingredients, I'll just mix tuna and the sauce, chili, tomato. It really looks delicious again. I'm excited for this. I already add lemon, right? I'll mix it because I already. I'll mix it so that if I put the tomato, it's already mixed. And to mix up the lemon. Lemon in each vegetable. The taste of sour. So as you can see, I also removed when I cut the tomato. Do you remember that? When I cut the tomato, I removed the seeds and the something sauce like that. So that it will be, if you want to eat this like for 2 days, it will not create more like watery. So just a few, like little sauce. But if you will not remove that, it will give you a lot of water on your salad. So I suggest you to remove that seeds and the water from the tomato. Now I already, and whenever you're mixing this, don't mix like you are, just mix it, just to mix it. Because if you will mix it like for a long time, you'll just make your what do you call this? Why I still have one more? You will crush the one that the grapes. So we're trying to avoid to get more watery. Ano ba akong professional? And if you feel like it doesn't look like there's celery, you can add more. See, because I don't have too much green leaf, and celery is good also. It's healthy, so I decided to add more celery. So I'm almost done. I add all the ingredients. Tuna, I will mix it, and the last one is the sauce. So I'll mix it all together, then I will just add the sauce. Remember what I told you? You don't need to mix it that much. You should not squeeze the grapes. Because you cut its half, it will juice. So if you think that you already mix up your tuna with all of your vegetable, like it's mixed up, that's enough. You can stop mixing it, and you can start to add your sauce. I will just leave this. I should do this. No, I forgot. Okay, I can add it to my salad. I will put the same, but I think now my salad is more than other. The last time, remember, it's more than spicy because when I bought that soup, there is like free chili. So that small chili is more spicy. I also added it. I remember when I was in the hotel in Lasigal in Qatar. Like if I cannot finish I used to be like that. If I can finish my grapes, I even add that to chicken, to fish, to what's that? To shrimp. I like creating something new to eat. So that's it. Can I add more? I will add more because I don't have that much of chili. Maybe it's not that spicy. So I already mix it. That's enough. Now I will add the pomegranate. You know, I didn't add salt in anything that is um like magic. I don't know. I also should add pepper, right? I don't have pepper. like betchin, Ginamoto. I don't like something. But I know, I think they really don't add that in salad. I don't like. Also, I didn't add salt on the last time that I made. It doesn't contain salt. So this is good. I already mix it up. Try. I think this is mixed already. For you to know that you already mix it, you just twist it until you're in the same spot. So that's it. It's done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the button, likes, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll show it to you. Here's are the finished product. I think I already add everything. So I think for now I add more pomegranate because it's kind of dark, and maybe because I add more chili, this one. There you go. I will try it now. Thank you.